Do waist trainers work? Waist trainers have gained popularity for their promise to slim the waistline and enhance curves, but their effectiveness is often debated. Below is a comprehensive guide on how waist trainers work, their benefits, and potential drawbacks. 1. What are waist trainers? Waist trainers are compression garments made from materials like latex or spandex, designed to cinch the waist and create an hourglass shape. They are similar to corsets but made for everyday wear and fitness activities. 2. How do waist trainers work? Waist trainers work by compressing the midsection, making the waist appear smaller when worn, encouraging better posture due to the tight fit, promoting sweating around the abdominal area during workouts. However, they do not directly burn fat or result in permanent weight loss. 3. Can waist trainers permanently slim your waist? Waist trainers can provide a temporary slimming effect, but they do not offer permanent results. Any long-term changes in waist size come from a combination of consistent exercise, a healthy diet, and lifestyle changes rather than wearing a waist trainer alone. 4th, benefits of waist trainers. Instant slimming appearance while worn. Improved posture due to the support provided to the back and core. Motivation to maintain a healthy lifestyle as users may feel encouraged to stick to fitness routines. Increased sweating during workouts, which some believe aids in temporary water weight loss. 5. Drawbacks of waist trainers. No long-term weight loss or fat reduction. Discomfort or restricted breathing when worn too tightly. Risk of muscle weakening if relied upon too much for posture support. Possible organ compression and digestive issues with prolonged use. Temporary results that disappear once the trainer is removed. 6. Do waist trainers help with weight loss? Waist trainers do not directly cause weight loss. Any weight lost while wearing one is likely due to water weight loss from sweating, reduced food intake due to stomach compression. Real and lasting weight loss comes from a balanced diet and regular exercise. 7. How to use waist trainers safely. Wear them for short periods, 2 to 3 hours a day initially. Avoid over-tightening to prevent discomfort and health risks. Incorporate regular exercise and a healthy diet for best results. Listen to your body and stop use if you experience pain or breathing difficulty. 8. Are waist trainers recommended by experts? Many health professionals and fitness experts do not recommend waist trainers for long-term body shaping. They emphasize that waist trainers offer a temporary fix and can pose health risks when used improperly or excessively. Waist trainers provide a temporary slimming effect and may improve posture, but they do not offer permanent weight loss or waist reduction. For long-lasting results, a combination of diet, exercise, and core strengthening is essential. Use waist trainers cautiously and as a supplement, not a solution.